Do you want to get even more out of your Windows device? If so, cool. Here's 3 free apps you can download right now to crank up your experience. Titles! Windows 11 is already packed with great features. Search, Snap, and yes, even sticky keys. But Microsoft has apps that are also great and aren't actually included out of the box on a Windows 11 device. So today I'm showing you 3 Microsoft apps you need to download, and these apps will transform how you plan, create, and work every single day. So let's go! Number 1, Microsoft Whiteboard. The first one of these free apps is found on the Microsoft Store. Just search Microsoft Whiteboard and give it a download. Whiteboard is a collaborative digital canvas with drawing tools, sticky notes, templates, diagrams, and real-time co-editing. Now, Whiteboard isn't just a drawing app, it's a full creative thinking environment. You can map out your ideas visually, use templates for flowcharts, project planning, and workshops. You can collaborate live with colleagues or students wherever they are, and everything syncs automatically across devices. Now, while Whiteboard is free to use with just a Microsoft account, you can get enhanced features and deeper integration with Microsoft 365 tools such as Teams, thanks to a Microsoft 365 subscription. It's perfect for educators, facilitators, students, project planners, and anyone who thinks better visually. So if you've ever wished meetings were more engaging, this is the tool for you. Number 2, Microsoft PowerToys. Now, once you start using PowerToys, it becomes impossible to go back. It's one of the most powerful upgrades you can add to your Windows 11 device. Again, it's free and on the Microsoft Store, so just search PowerToys and away you go. This is a suite of advanced tools that takes Windows 11 up another notch. And these tools include things like FancyZones, Power Rename, Color Picker, Mouse Utilities, and File Explorer add-ons, and much, much more. All of this supercharges Windows with even more features that make everyday tasks faster, cleaner, and even more efficient. And you're in complete control, because each of the tools can be toggled on or off by clicking the PowerToys icon in the system tray. Why is this so good? Well, PowerToys is basically the new Game Plus mode for Windows. We've got FancyZones, which for example lets you create custom Windows layouts that suit you for ultimate multitasking. Then there is Peek. Using the hotkeys Control and Spacebar, you can peek at the images in your File Explorer without having to open them in the Photos app, and this saves me so much time. And you can even scroll through the files by using the left and right arrow keys. Nice! There's Color Picker too, and this is a must for designers and content creators. It's a tool that allows you to take any color from any app on the Windows 11 system and use it via your clipboard anywhere else. And my favorite, Always on Top, allows you to pin an app's window so it is always visible on top of other apps, so you can work the way that you want. For example, using the hotkeys Windows Control and T on the calculator keeps that on top of any app that I'm using, so I can work out stuff without losing the calculator under other windows. Number 3, Microsoft Journal. Microsoft Journal, when downloaded from the Microsoft Store, gives you a natural writing, note-taking app with AI-powered gestures, handwritten recognition, tagging, and smart organization. It gives you the feeling of writing on paper, but with digital intelligence that keeps everything searchable and structured. And for those that want everything in its right place and organized, Journal is one of Microsoft's most underrated apps. When using Microsoft Journal, you can scratch out text to delete it, you can circle to select text, and highlight to tag important items in your notes. And the AI automatically in this app recognizes headings, dates, and keywords, so these and your handwriting becomes fully searchable. It's perfect for Surface users who love to get hands-on with the slim pen, students, meeting notes, sketching ideas, or anyone who prefers handwriting over typing. It's fast, fluid, and feels just as natural as having an actual journal, but without the extra weight in your bag. So, those are the 3 free Microsoft apps you should download today. Whiteboard for visual collaboration, PowerToys for pro-level productivity, and Journal for natural intelligent note-taking. None of these come in Windows 11, but each one adds serious power to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, hit like as it really supports the channel, and why not tell us in the comments which app you are downloading first. I've been Matt, you've been watching Expert Zone UK and I will catch you all on the flip side. Oh, peace!